Hey, what's up? How you doing today? Had to change cameras, so hopefully this won't be totally crappy, but just gonna do a quick and dirty review and go over a few basics on this Remington electric chainsaw, 120 volt sucker. Um, I'd never used one before, and I was very surprised with how powerful it is, and obviously it's not big enough for really big, logs and trees and stuff. But for small, medium-sized stuff, you'd be surprised what this thing can do. And of course, mine has this ultimate sexy factory chain guard on it. I'm gonna snatch off. I have to get a patent on that sucker, but bear with me. Move it. Move this camera. I know it sounds like crap. Hold on. Okay. So, a little basic stuff on just tightening the chain and the bar. You can use a 7/16 inch wrench or socket on these little bitty nuts, and I think that's just quarter 20 nuts and studs on there, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, 7/16 wrench or socket on there if you want. And to sharpen the chain, a 5/32 file works. I dulled the crap out of this one. It wouldn't cut hot butter, and then give me 20 minutes or so, and I had it razor sharp again. Um, these handles help make it a lot easier on sharpening. It's just time consuming, man. Just flip the radio on and just concentrate, get it done. It's not that hard, but let's see. I watched another video. It said for this bar and chain oil, it said you could push on this when you want it, squirt some bar and chain oil on the chain, and I didn't have any luck with that. I didn't really know that part yet, but it seemed like whenever I put the oil in there, it would just kind of just drain out all at once and make a big mess. So this, I don't know if this one's screwed up, broken, or what. Might need some TLC. I forgot to mention when you're tightening these nuts, um, pull the bar outward and hold it out while you tighten those nuts. I don't think this one moves kind of upward like most chainsaws, but I'm going to turn it around. Obviously, it's not heavy enough to do, the big stuff, and it's really light as a feather. But hey, you don't have to snatch and grab and yank and dislocate your shoulder trying to pull, get the thing to start. The nice electric start, it better start, but it could obviously use an improvement in this stop right here. It's just a plastic, small, pitiful thing. It needs some kind of upgrade there, like the teeth that they put on the stills and Husqvarnas. I had never used one of those before until last year, I think, and it blew my mind how much control those teeth give you when you're sawing. So it's worth it to get those. Maybe you can fabricate something. Maybe there's a kit you can buy or order and retrofit that. I don't know, but if you made something for it, it could probably be time consuming. But anyway, that's just thinking out loud. Um, Another video I watched showed it says it's 8 amps on the motor here. Another video said it was a little over 3 horsepower, which is kind of surprising, just on paper. In use, I might could say yeah, but crunch some quick numbers here. Volts times amps equals your power in watts. So 120 volts times 8 amps is 960 watts. So that would put you right at 1 horsepower or a little over. So that's if this thing is 3 horse, I don't know how they're getting it. That's pretty wild because, all right, 746 watts is 1 horsepower. 746 times 3 is 2,238 watts. So I don't know. Somebody smarter than me have to explain that. But anyway, bear with me a minute. I'll do just a quick demo. Man, I wear earplugs. I try to take care of my hearing when I go to, using loud power tools and go to rock concerts and stuff. I take care of my hearing. You only got two ears, and I enjoy music so much, and don't want to be deaf. That when I get old, I still want to enjoy some good music, some acoustic and stuff, and not have to crank it way up to be able to hear anything and yell at people and stuff. But hold on just a second, bear with me. Earplugs in. Got to do this part because my buddy in Phoenix whined and cried because I didn't crank up his little gas one. So this thing will surprise you. Pretty loud. I highly suggest earplugs, some kind of hearing protection. That's it. Keep rocking. There's a good tune from 1991.
Tell lies and watch you talk.